How to cut and sew Kaftan Bubu gown. Greetings to my fans all over the world. Welcome to Tholany Apparel channel. Today I want to show you all step by step on how to cut and sew a Kaftan Bubu gown. Please follow along. These are the measurements you needed in Kaftan Bubu gown. Shoulder 19. Gown hip point 26. Hips 42. Gown knee length 36. Gown length 60. Round selves 10. This is the material. I folded the fabric into two, then I marked gown hip point 26. Gown knee length 36 and gown length which is 60. Then I took her hip measurements at where I marked gown hip point. Her hips is 42. Then I divided it by 4 which is 10.5, then I add extra 2 inches. Then I moved to the knee measurement. To have the knee measurement, I minus 5 inches from the hip. For example, her hip measurement is 42. So I deduct 5 from the 42 which remain 37. Then I divide the 37 by 4 which gave me 9. So I mark the 9 and add extra 2 inches allowances, then I connect it. The next thing is to cut the neck. I width it by 3 as you can see in the picture. Then I drop the neck by 3 as you can see in the picture. Then I slide the middle of the neck. The back. I width the back by 4, then drop it by 1. Then I cut a 2 inches band for the neck. First of all, I join the shoulder, the back and the front. I bend the edges by 1 inches. Then I join the back and front together, then I took her normal measurements. After that I used the 2 inches band and sew the neck. Then I place it in the positive side and sew it round. After sewing it round, I turn it to the positive side. This how it looks like. To make my finishing neat, I iron it, then I put it in the image. This dress is called Kaftan Bubu gown, and please, if you have any questions, please drop it at the comment section. I will read it and reply you as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel as I will be dropping more styles and also posting cloth available to sell in cheap rate for my subscribers. Thanks once again. God bless you all.